Hi traders, welcome to the full market analysis for the 23rd of October. Hope you are well, having a great day. If you have shorted the gold, then congratulations using the software. One of the things you can do, which is very straightforward and very simple, is just buy the signals on the 30-minute chart, sell the signals on the 30-minute chart, buy the signals, sell the signals. That's it. Don't need to do much else. One of the things to watch out for though is outside bars. We are looking for the price to move back up to 27.48 in the next few hours. Outside bars, as you may well know by now, are highly significant and are either reversal points or deep correction points. So the price is highly likely to bounce in the next few hours or the next 24 hours. We just don't know. So just dial down to your 5-minute chart if you want to. I've drawn a trend line here, as you can see. I need to see this trend line broken and then I can go long. I did put some trading ideas. Now, trading ideas in terms of the VIP room is just to help you, to remind you that these are highly significant areas. So 27.31 or thereabouts is a buy zone, and there could be a bounce on these areas. Now it's up to you whether you take these trades. You trade at your own risk, of course. If you treat them as signals, that's fine. However, you are going to be risking something like 30-40 pips on that, and the price might not react on that point. So personally, I will be waiting for a buy signal on the chart. Now I'm using Heikin-Ashi charts because they are much slower and much more reliable, so that you can actually just wait and be patient for that break. As you can see, the price is now hitting 27.30, so you could find there's going to be some reaction. Now, one of the things you can do is set an alert. Just right click on that area. If I send you a trading idea, so I could put an alert there and say buy now ? So it just, that will throw into my email, so I will get an email to say this is an interesting point. So we just want to see whether the price is going to react at that point, or you might want to wait for the buy signal to come into the software before you actually go long into this area here. So personally, I'll be waiting for the price to break this downtrend here, as you can see, and then I'll be going long. You get in a little bit later, possibly, but the price would have had some kind of change of character at this point and then reverse. We are looking at 183 pips back up to 27.48, so there's plenty of profits there to be had if it does break to the upside. The sellers are in, so again going against the trend. As you can see here, the trend is down, so we do sometimes that's just one of those things. Sometimes you have to go against the trend. You certainly don't want to be short. You definitely don't want to be short in these circumstances because this outside bar is very deep now. The sellers are in, and we do expect further downside because it's broken the 50-day moving average here. So this is probably a change of trend. However, a pullback up to 27.48 is highly likely. Let's go into the markets. Now, as you know, I have my parabolic trends marked in green for an uptrend, red for a downtrend on the watch list. So we can just go down into the 30-minute chart if we wish and see what's going on. And we can see here that the dollar is strong. Now that is an indication that what usually happens is gold actually does the reverse. With dollars strong, then gold pulls off, and it is actually selling off now, 27.28. So we're not looking for any buy signals yet. But that could soon change, of course, in the next few hours. Now, as we can see, the target for the dollar is 104.96 in the next few hours. So stronger dollar is the order of the day. Weaker yen futures is driving all the yen pairs up. So if you're buying into the yens, fantastic. Great news. Continued down. It's hit target number 2, 65.92. So there could be a pullback in the next few hours, but weaker yen is the order of the day, and therefore buying all yens is favorable. Swiss franc futures is pretty much sideways, hit target 11588. So we do expect further weakness down to 11495. Into the Forex, the indices are all over the place. There's nothing really going on there. We can see the euro dollar is weak and continues a lovely big sell signal there, but it's not actually moved much at all. This target's now 106.94. Aussie USD, I do have the long-term charts are looking like there's going to be a breakout, and if the dollar starts to fall and roll over, then this will actually fall as well. So I do have a change of character here on a 67.00 thereabouts and a break. If that happens, of course, then happy days. If it continues down, it doesn't affect us. Further weakness is highly likely, heading for 65.85. Same for the Kiwi, of course, they do the same thing. US Swiss is continuing up into target 186.76 and then on to 87.43 in the next 24 hours, but actually looks very, really quiet. US Canadian, it's just broken up, and there is a signal there that's been sent into the Forex and gold signal room, and so enjoy that. The first target is 138.79 and then on to 139.10. US yen has been rallying, of course. It was all a bit quiet this morning. We had a buy signal at 3:30 this morning overnight during the Asian session. So if you've been trading the Asian session, congratulations. It's hit the second target at 152.57. So a lovely profit there. Congratulations if you have the charts. If you don't have the charts, why not? So here we go into the pound Aussie. This is parabolic to the upside. We do expect further upside momentum, and we do have a target here of 196.89. Good luck with that trade. Pound New Zealand to the upside in profit slightly, all very quiet down this end. The Asian session should see this liven up a bit, and the price has now moved up. And hit targets are 21.624 and then on to 21.788. Aussie Swiss to the downside, it's broken at last, so this does target 57.47 and then on to 57.12. If we can have a look at the pound again, we know it's going up. If you've been trading this, you had a breakout here. The price did break and hit the level 2. Second target is always tricky. If you're buying into this, it can go to 199.49. However, the second target is usually the extreme price action, so look out for that.